Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 24. This is Section 1.2, Problem 24. It says determine the place value of the digit 7 in the number 88,154,937. Well, the 7 is the furthest position to the right, which makes it the ones position. So that is the answer. But just for your own knowledge, the next digit over is the tens position. After that, we have the hundreds position. The next digit is the 4. That's in the thousands position. The next one to the right is the 5. That's in the 10,000s position. The next one over to the right is the 1. That's in the 100,000s position. Then the next digit to the right is an 8. That's in the millions position. There's another 8 to the right of that. That's in the 10 millions position. But for this question, the 7 is in the ones position. That's the position furthest to the right.